All right, guys, you should have all 6 of your sentences written so that you are ready to go. They should be edited, so now they should be perfect. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you have 2 sheets that look like this. They're just blank. Okay, so you have 2 of them. What you're now going to do is you're going to take your sloppy copy sentences from here and you're going to write them perfectly in your very best penmanship, or if you want to write in cursive handwriting, you can. So if you look at the very top one, now the very first one's going to be, I am a student in Mrs. Nelson's 3rd grade class. Notice that I have everything correct. I have a capital M, I have a capital N, I have a punctuation mark of that comma in there, or I'm sorry, that apostrophe for the S, and I have a period. What I don't have is I'm not writing I am a. Okay, so you're just writing what you have on this sentence down here. You're not writing you're not writing I am a student and then going below that and writing I am a student in Mrs. Nelson's 3rd grade class. All we're doing is the complete detailed sentence on our final copy. So you'll notice that I wrote that in just my regular handwriting. Then I did my second one. So I wrote, I am an artist, period. I love to do painting classes, period. So I actually have 2 sentences there, but I wrote it in cursive. So you may choose which one you want to do, if you want to write it in penmanship or if you wanted to write it in cursive. So today what you're going to do is you're going to fill up these 6 pages. Once you're done with them, put all of it into your folder.